How to fix something went wrong in TikTok. So if you want to fix something went wrong in your TikTok, then what you need to do is the first thing you need to do is you just need simply go and check your internet connection. Because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problems. So if you're using your Wi-Fi, you can go with the mobile data. Or if you're using your mobile data, then you can go with your Wi-Fi, switch the network, and after that your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to open up your TikTok. Once you open up your TikTok, now you just need to simply go with profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Tap on settings and privacy. And after that here, if you scroll down, you'll get an option of free up space. Tap on it and then tap on clear and tap on clear again under the cache. And once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your TikTok application, go with the app info section. Once you're under the app info, now go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Now you can go back, restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix something went wrong in your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.